right, friends, this is 8-2, explaining fractions that are equivalent using a number line. So I want to read this example to you on page 418. Sal rode his bike 3/4 of a mile to school. Name two fractions that are equivalent or equal to 3/4. So here we are, 3/4. A number line is another appropriate tool for finding equivalent fractions. So first we show 3/4 on the number line. And then you could multiply this bottom one, or this denominator, by 2/2 to get eighths. So divide each fourth into 2 equal parts to show eighths. So we see that 6/8 and 3/4 are the same. You can get that by doing 3/4 times 2/2 equals 6/8. So now we could do 3/4 times 3/3 to get 12ths, which would give you 9/12. So what this is all saying is that 3/4, 6/8, and 9/12 are at the same point on each of the same size number lines. 6/8, 9/12 are equivalent to 3/4. So basically how I got from here to here is I picked a number that was the same on top and bottom. I knew eighths right away, so I asked myself, okay, how do I get from 3/4 to eighths? Well, you multiply by 2. What you do to the bottom, you have to do to the top. Over here, I knew I had to go from fourths to 12ths. So how do I get from 4 to 12? I multiply by 3. What you do to the bottom, you have to do to the top. So I got 9/12. All right, here, they've given you the number line. I noticed that it's sixths. So I could go ahead and fill out the bottom, 1/6, 2/6, 3/6. What this is saying is that 1/3 and 2/6 are equivalent, and 1/2 and 3/6 are equivalent. Let me show you how you get there. Again, you say, how do you get from 3 to 6? So I do 1/3 times what over what equals 6. 3 times 2 gives me 6. What I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. So then I get 2/6. Here, how do I go from 1/2 to 6? 1/2 times what over what equals 6. 3, 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 3/6. So here you're going to do the same kind of thing, and you're going to answer which of the following fractions is equivalent, and then you're going to write two fractions for the point on the number line. So I notice that this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is tenths. So whatever you get here, that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you can choose to multiply 4/10 by whatever you want, as long as it's the same on the top and the bottom, to get your second equivalent fraction. So here's one and here's one. All right, I know you're going to do great with this. Good luck.